Tonight, the immigration fight heads to the Supreme Court.
Yeah, the outcome will impact millions of people living in the U.S. illegally. KCRA 3's Dana Griffin talked to undocumented immigrants who say they're concerned about their family's status.
I just started my third class today.
Seeing his little girl smile is what Antonio Campos lives for.
My wife and I are undocumented, and I have 2 American citizens.
Now that the federal appeals court has blocked President Obama's initiative to protect about 5 million undocumented immigrants from deportation,
Let me show you.
Antonio and his wife may be forced to leave their children behind.
We're trying to keep hope, that the Supreme Court does something, but they gotta hurry, because if they do it after Obama left the office, that's going to be too late.
Republicans have criticized the president's plan as an illegal overreach by the president, and the latest ruling is worrisome for UC Davis students who are residents, but some of their family members are not.
I am someone who benefited from deferred action myself, and to know that people who would have benefited are not going to have that ability and that access hurts our community.
Estefania Hermosillo is a senior and wants to focus on graduation, but says the immigration reform setback is painful.
My aunt would have had peace of mind after today's decision around this, and that's not available to her the same way it was to me when I was able to qualify for DACA, and that's what's really most painful about it.
Andrea Guzman's family immigrated from Guatemala about 10 years ago. Although she's a resident, her father is undocumented.
We're constantly living in fear of knowing that, I'm over here in Davis and my parents are in the Bay Area, that I'm going to go home and my dad's not going to be there.
They say they won't give up the fight to see Obama's plan prevail.
The last thing I would lose is hope.
No word on whether the Supreme Court will take up the case. The families hope a decision will come before President Obama leaves office.